앞으로 이쁘게 잘 살았으면 좋겠어. 축하해. 수연아 행복하게 살아.
너무 축하한다.
행복하게 잘 살아. 수연아 축하해.
Sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard,
이런 날을 맞이하게 해줘서 너무 고맙고 건강하고 행복한 가정 영원토록 이루면서 잘 살기를 바라고 기도할게.
makes us feel alive.
영리하게 잘 싸우고 잘 살기를 바란다.
We keep this
수연아
love
피로야
in
정말 결혼
photograph.
축하하고 건강하게 지혜롭게 잘 생활하길 바란다. 결혼 축하해. 사랑해.
Where our eyes are never closing, hearts
내가
are never
너무
broken,
소중하고 사랑하는
time's forever frozen
동생이
still.
사랑스러운 친구를 만나서 좋은 가정 꾸리고 살아가고 내가 항상 응원할게. 고마워.
Pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.